Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to the region and location on your Xbox Series X or S. Now, just on the home screen here, we want to go to Settings, then use the D-pad and go down to System, go to the right, and then go to where it says Language and Location. Then we can go to Location right here, and we can choose the new location. So if I want to go to like United Kingdom, and then we can change the language region as well, and the language. So let's go back to United States. Then after we change the location, we want to restart our Xbox Series X or S, and then you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.